Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss the core principles of research ethics. So, let's dive in. The principles of research ethics provide a framework for conducting ethical and responsible research. These principles are essential to ensure the integrity, credibility, and fairness of the research process. Respect and fairness are fundamental principles in research ethics. Researchers must respect the rights, dignity, and autonomy of all individuals involved in the research process. Fairness ensures equal treatment and consideration for all participants. Quest for truth. The quest for truth is at the heart of research. Researchers strive to discover and communicate accurate and reliable information. The pursuit of truth drives the scientific process and contributes to the advancement of knowledge. High academic quality and accuracy. Maintaining high academic quality and accuracy is crucial in research. Researchers should adhere to rigorous methodologies, employ valid and reliable measures, and ensure the accuracy of data analysis and interpretation. Scientifically updated. Research ethics requires researchers to stay scientifically updated. They should be aware of the latest advancements, theories, and methodologies in their respective fields to conduct research that is relevant and contributes to existing knowledge. Academic freedom. Academic freedom is a principle that upholds researchers' rights to pursue and disseminate their findings without undue interference. It allows researchers to explore diverse perspectives and express their opinions freely. Confidentiality. Respecting confidentiality is vital in research. Researchers must protect the privacy and anonymity of research participants. Confidentiality safeguards foster trust and encourage participation in research studies. Impartiality, openness, or transparency. Impartiality, openness, or transparency is essential to maintain the integrity of the research process. Researchers should be transparent about their methods, data collection, analysis, and findings. They should avoid bias and disclose any potential conflicts of interest. Integrity. Integrity is a core principle in research ethics. Researchers should demonstrate honesty, sincerity, and adherence to ethical standards throughout the research process. Integrity builds trust and credibility in the research community. References, citing and acknowledging relevant sources is crucial in research. Researchers should give proper credit to the work of others and provide accurate references to support their claims and findings. Companionable. Being companionable means fostering a collaborative and respectful environment among researchers and research participants. It encourages teamwork, mutual support, and constructive dialogue in the research community. Accountability. Researchers are accountable for the ethical conduct of their research. They should take responsibility for their actions, follow ethical guidelines and regulations, and be prepared to address any concerns or criticisms regarding their research. Subjectivity and bias. Research ethics emphasizes the importance of avoiding subjectivity and bias. Researchers should strive for objectivity, impartiality, and fairness in their study design, data collection, analysis, and interpretation. By adhering to these principles of research ethics, researchers uphold the highest standards of integrity, respect, and fairness in their work. These principles promote the credibility and reliability of research findings and contribute to the advancement of knowledge in various fields. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the core principles of research ethics. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Remember, ethical research is the foundation of responsible and impactful discoveries. Until next time.